Hello everyone, welcome to Static GK quiz number 156. This video is aimed to help you with your central and state government job examinations. I'm Ritrisha from GKToday and I'll be taking you through this. When light from some source enters the Earth's atmosphere, it gets scattered. Which among the following is a reason behind scattering? The correct answer is smoke and gas molecules. In addition, the oxygen in Earth's atmosphere absorbs wavelengths at the edge of the ultraviolet region of the spectrum. The remaining unscattered light is therefore mostly of longer wavelengths and appears more red. Some of the scattering can also be from sulfate particles. Which among the following is true about latent heat? The correct answer is that it causes change in state or phase but not in temperature. Latent heat is thermal energy released or absorbed by a body or a thermodynamic system during a constant temperature process, usually a first-order phase transition, that is, a change of state. Which among the following is a property of insulator? The correct answer is the electrons of the outer orbits are tightly bound to the nucleus and cannot flow through them. So an electrical insulator is a material whose internal electric charges do not free flow. Very little electric current will flow through these under the influence of an electric field. This contrasts with other materials, semiconductors and conductors, which conduct electric current more easily. So electric current is usually transferred by the transmission of electrons. So electrons carry charges which get redistributed and hence the charge is carried forward. When that cannot happen and the electrons are bound to the orbit, then the charge cannot be carried forward. As a result, these materials become insulators. Equal volumes of all gases contain equal number of molecules under similar conditions of temperature and pressure. Which law says that? The correct answer is Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law is an experimental gas law relating the volume of a gas to the amount of substance of gas present. The law is a specific case of ideal gas law. A modern statement is Avogadro's law states that equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure have the same number of molecules. Ohm is a unit of measuring of resistance. Resistance is a measure of the opposition of current flow in an electrical circuit. Resistance is measured in ohms, symbolized by the Greek letter omega. Ohms are named after George Simon Ohms, a German physicist who studied the relationship between voltage, current and resistance. So the Greek letter omega that we spoke of, that is the symbol of ohm, is the one that you see on the right side of your screen. Under Article 368, the Indian Constitution provides methods of amendment of different portions of the Constitution. How many different methods are there? So the answer is 3. Part 20 of the Constitution of India has only one article, that is Article 368, that deals with the amendment of Constitution. As per this article, Parliament may add, amend or repeal any provision of the Constitution as per the procedure laid down for this purpose. However, in the Kesavnand Bharati case in 1973, the Supreme Court has ruled that the Parliament cannot amend those provisions which constitute the basic structure of the Constitution. Which among the following is true regarding the resignation of Speaker and Deputy Speaker? So the correct answer is the Deputy Speaker resigns by writing to the Speaker and the Speaker resigns by writing to the Deputy Speaker. The railings of Sanchi Stupa were made during the Songa period. Sanchi Stupa also, it's a Buddhist complex famous for its great stupa on the hilltop at Sanchi town in Raisan district of state of Madhya Pradesh. It is located about 46 kilometers northeast of Bhopal, which is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Kharvela, who constructed caves in Udaigiri for Jain monks, was a ruler belonging to which of the following dynasties? The correct answer is Chaiti. The main source of information about Kharvela is his rock-cut Hathi Gumfa inscription. He was a ruler of Kalinga, which is in present-day Orissa. He ruled sometime around 1st and 2nd century BCE, and he is the best-known king of his dynasty. That's all for today's quiz. Until the next video, goodbye.